It's my new invention. Pretty cool, huh? Do you want to see what else it can do? There's more.
Stop
or else I'm going to... Actually, this looks pretty good. Oh, I like that. Can I have a go?
Lilliana, what are we going to do? Grab the remote!
Well done, Esme. Thanks. Wait, for what? For grabbing the remote and saving us. Huh? I thought that was you. No, if it wasn't me and it wasn't you, that means... Malice! Thanks, Timothy. I can always rely on you.
Is that better, Olivia? Olivia? I can't hear you, Olivia. Ooh, I didn't hear you coming, Olivia. You scared me. Are you okay, Olivia? Olivia, you've lost your voice. It's like someone's turned down your volume. Ah! Wait, I heard that. I heard that too. Wait, where's it gone? Oh, it's back again. Yes. Hello? What's happening? Lilliana, Olivia, is that Italian? Isabella, can you translate? Hello, Esme. Lost, are we? Oh no, not Malice! Oh! Nice shoes! Thanks! Nah, this is too odd. Whoa, that was weird. Things are really getting out of hand. There must be something on here to help. Aha! Let's see what's coming up. Oh dear. Oh, that stressed me out. I could really use some food.
Sweets for sale.
Ah, that's better. Ah, what a mess. It's gonna take me ages to clear all this up. Unless... Hang on. Wait, what? My remote isn't working.
Really? Is it switched on? What was that? It's like I had no control over myself. What's happening? Esme? Give me the remote, Esme.
Sure, but first I'm feeling a little bit hungry. Ooh, sweets. Excellent choice, Lilliana.
Oh, stop it, Esme.
Sure, but my laundry needs doing first.
Esme, this is not nice.
I'm sorry, Lilliana. This is just too much fun. Entertain me.
Time to put an end to this.
Lilliana, trying to get my magical remote, eh? Well, this will teach you. Huh? Aw, no batteries.
No batteries, eh? Time to teach you a lesson.
No! Thank you. Here's your remote back. I'm sorry, Lilliana. I got too power hungry.
It's all right, Esme.
I want my prize, please. What's this? A gaming remote. It's better than nothing, I guess.
Greetings, Princess Livy.
Huh?
Oh, this is Princess Lilliana. She's helping me today.
Oh, good.
Let's do this.
So this is a room. What kind of room? The roomy kind. So, why don't you leave your boxes over here? This is actually quite cramped.
Oh, don't be silly, Lilliana. We're used to castles.
Oh, well, look at this cupboard. Talk about spacious. You could probably fit your entire half of your body in there. Yeah.
That could be handy.
So, where's the bedroom? Upstairs. Which stairs? That one. What about bills? How many bathrooms are there? Does the area have fibre broadband? Here, take a flyer.
I was just in my room giving Mr. Snuggles his weekly bubble bath. Oh, good. Now there's 2 of them. Double bubble. Hee hee hee. The next thing I know...
I'm trapped inside a bubble. Oh no, not again! Oh no!
I'm going to turn you into a raisin in no time.
Esme, help us! Esme, help us, please!
Olivia? Lilliana? Is that you?
We're here, in the bubble!
Oh, hey Olivia. Hey Lilliana.
Esme, we're in serious bubble trouble. We need your help. We need you to pop the bubble, Esme.
Okay, let me just quickly dry these grapes first. Oopsie.
Oh, Timothy, that was some excellent pranking on those princesses today. You would have loved it. I just wish I could see what they were doing now.
Help!
What's that?
Help!
It sounds like...
No malice. Anyone for a raisin?